Hello friends, welcome to Need Success in Tamil. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம geneticsலேருந்து questions பார்க்க போகிறோம். The first question, scientists who rediscovered the Mendel's laws are option A, Mast and Pantin, option B, Watson and Crick, option C, Cohen, Teskermark and Hugo de Vries, option D, Corona and Nirenberg. Correct answer வந்து option C, Teskermark, Cohen and Hugo de Vries. Second question, the chromosomal theory of heredity implies that chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. Genes வந்து composed of chromosomes. Organisms cannot live without chromosomes. Genes are located on the chromosomes and are transmitted to the next generation through them. So genes வந்து chromosomes located இருக்கு and they are transmitted to the next generation. Option D தான் வந்து correct answer. Third question, color blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C, sex-linked abnormality, absence of rods in retina, absence of visual purple in retina. So இதுக்கு வந்து correct answer வந்து sex-linked abnormality. In a monohybrid cross, the F1 ratio of a back cross 1:1, 3:1, 1:2:1, 9:3:3:3. So the correct answer வந்து 1:1, option A. Fifth question, among the following which is a test cross? ஸோ இந்த 4 ஆப்ஷன்ஸுமே பார்த்தா எப்போவுமே வந்து டெஸ்ட் கிராஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து F1 ப்ரொஜெனியும் வந்து நம்மளோட ரெசிசிவ் ஹோமோசைகஸ் பேரண்ட்டும். ஸோ அதனால் கேபிட்டல் T ஸ்மால் டி கிராஸ் ஸ்மால் டி ஆப்ஷன் டி. சிக்ஸ்த் கொஸ்டின், த கிராசிங் ஆஃப் அ ஹோமோசைகஸ் டால் பிளான்ட் வித் அ டுவார்ஃப் வுட் யீல்ட் பிளான்ட்ஸ் இன் த ரேஷியோ ஆஃப் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. All heterozygous tall, 2 tall, 2 dwarf, 1 homozygous tall, 2 heterozygous tall, 1 homozygous dwarf and all homozygous dwarf. So the correct answer வந்து option C, 1 homozygous tall, 2 heterozygous tall and 1 homozygous dwarf. Seventh question வந்து, how many meiosis will be required to produce 1 or 2 pollen grains? So the correct answer வந்து option C, 26 meiotic divisions will be required to produce 1 or 2 pollen grains. Eighth question, DNA duplication occurs in meiosis only, meiosis 2 and mitosis only, meiosis 1 and mitosis. So the correct answer வந்து option D, meiosis 1 and mitosis. Ninth question, a giant chromosome having many chromonemata lying side by side all along their length is called megachromosome, heterosome, polytene chromosome, supernumerary chromosome. Correct answer option C, polytene chromosome. 10th question, base substitutions from base analogues are called transitions, transversions, intragenic complementation, intergenic complementation. Correct answer on the option A, transitions. 11th question, the transfer of a gene or genes through a virus is called transformation, transduction, genetic engineering, sexduction. Transformation na it includes bacteria, transduction na it's including virus. So another correct answer is option B, transduction. 12th question, which of the following chemical characteristics is not common to all living beings? Similar triplet codes for amino acids is correct answer. அது வந்து எல்லாத்துக்குமே வந்து காமனாக தான் இருக்கும். அவங்க நாட் காமன் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Energy is stored by high energy rich phosphate bonds, இதுவும் காமன் தான். Types of proteins present in the body, organism to organism vary ஆகும். ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து not common. Ribosomes act at synthesis of protein is common in all living organisms. So the correct answer for 12th question is option C. A color blind man marries the daughter of a color blind person. In their progeny, none of her daughters are color blind. All her sons are colorblind, all her daughters are colorblind, half of her sons are colorblind. Simple cross based question. Simple நம்ம cross போட்டா உங்களுக்கு half of her sons are colorblind வரும். The condition which is only one allele of a pair is present is known as hemizygous. இதுக்கு கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் வந்து hemizygous. 15th question, the genetic constitution of an organism is known as genome, genopool, genotype, phenotype. So genetic constitution சொல்லும்போது we'll always refer to it as genome. Humans, an example of sex-linked trait is, sex-linked trait வந்து curly hair, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, down syndrome கேட்டிருக்காங்க. செக்ஸ் லிங்க் ட்ரைட் வந்து கலர் பிளைண்ட்னஸ். டவுன் சிண்ட்ரோம் வந்து மோனோசோமியா, ட்ரைசோமியா, ட்ரைப்ளாய்டியா, பாலிப்ளாய்டியான்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இட் ட்ரைசோமி ஆஃப் த 21st syndrome. 18th question, which disease results from the genetic inability to synthesize a single enzyme? Diabetes, phenylketonuria, color blindness and Down syndrome. So phenylketonuria தான் ஒரு என்சைமோட சிந்தசிஸ் செக்ரீஷன். ஃபினைல்கீட்டோனரியாவில் ஃபினைல் அலனைன் ஹைட்ராக்சிலேஸ் அப்படிங்கிற என்சைமோட செக்ரேட் ஆகாது. அதோட அந்த என்சைம் வந்து சிந்தசிஸ் ஆகாது. ஸோ அந்த இன்னபிலிட்டியை தான் நம்ம ஃபினைல்கீட்டோனரியான்னு சொல்கிறோம். 19th question, mutations which are not dominant are not lost by a gene pool, and that is known as survival of the dominant, survival of the recessive, Hardy-Weinberg law, none of the above. So mutations வந்து which are not dominant are not lost by a gene pool அப்படிங்கிற statement refers to Hardy-Weinberg law, option C. 20th question, when two genes are situated very close to each other in a chromosome, percentage of crossing over them high, hardly any crossovers, no crossing over them can take place ever between them, only double crossovers can take place. So when they are located very very close to each other, no crossing will take place. So 20th question is answer option C. If a person meets with an accident and a great loss of blood has occurred and there is no time to analyze his blood group, there is எந்த blood நம்ம transfusion பண்ணால் safe அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ இது ஆல்ரெடி known தான், O and RH negative, option C. 22nd question, if an individual does not breed true for its character, it is called homozygote allelomorph hybrid ectotype. So does not breed true for its characters அப்படின்னா it's going to be a hybrid, option C. 23rd question, a chemical mutagen is X-rays, UV rays, beta rays, 5-bromouracil. So the correct answer is option D, 5-bromouracil. 24th question, the number of characters investigated by Mendel was 4, 7, 6 and D. So the correct answer is option B, 7. The last question, the science dealing with the study of inheritance and variation is genetics, evolution, morphology, cytology. This is very basic and it's genetics. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.